Hey friends, let's look at indoor games. Ludo. Ludo. It helps to learn counting, patience, and taking turns. Chess. Chess. It helps to improve thinking and planning. Carom. Carom. It helps to practice aim and focus. Hide and seek. Hide and seek. It helps to learn observation and quick movement. Table tennis. Table tennis. It helps to practice reflexes and quick thinking. Video game. Video game. It helps to improve problem solving and strategy. Snake and ladder. Snake and ladder. It helps to learn numbers and patience. Card game. Card game. It helps to improve memory and matching skills. Puzzle game. Puzzle game. It helps to practice thinking and focus. Dots. Dots. It helps to practice aim and hand-eye coordination.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more videos.